Hi, welcome to the video tutorial of how to make a ringtone from music that you bought off iTunes without paying another 99 cents for the ringtone. So today the example I'm going to be using is Cowboy Casanova. So you open up your iTunes, and you can see I have them here. You pick the song. I usually put them in just a playlist by itself because we're going to end up looping it a couple times. I don't like to skip to the next song, so I just kind of isolate it. So we're going to go ahead. What we're going to do is we're going to find the section that we want to make into a ringtone. Normally, people would choose the chorus, so you just go ahead and listen to it, find where the chorus is. So here we go. I can kind of fast forward. I know the chorus is not going to be in the beginning of the song. It's coming up. I can remember it. And it's right there at 55 seconds. I'm gonna write it down. That's what my start time is gonna be, is 55 seconds. So I always write it down because you tend to forget. Now we're gonna look for the end, where we want it to end. So I'm just gonna wait where the chorus ends. And I'm going to have it end right there at 126. I'm going to try 55 seconds at 126. So what I'm going to do is you just right click on that, go to get info. We're going to go to the options tab, and then we're going to see where it says start time. We're going to say we want to start at 55 seconds because that's where the chorus starts. And then stop time, we're going to stop it at 126 because that's where we think it stops. And here's where we go and play it back. So now when you play it back, it's only going to play that section that you selected. And it started a little bit early, so I'm going to go change that. So just make a note that it did start a little bit early. Okay, so it ended a little bit early too, so we're going to fix that a little bit. So we're going to go back into get info, go back to options. So like I said, it started a little bit too early, so I'm going to move it forward a little bit. I usually go by 0.5. You can go in increments of 0.55, 0.2. I usually go 0.5 first and move it back and forth to 0.25, 0.2, or 0.75, depending on how much I need. So I'm going to do the same thing on both because that's always the easiest, and I can always adjust accordingly. And if that's close enough for me, I'm not gonna go ahead and play the whole thing because, you know, we don't want to listen to the whole song again. So once you kind of have the section that you want, and it's gonna take replay for a couple of times just to get exactly the section you want. But once you get to that snippet that you want, you're gonna go ahead and right click on it and go to where it says create ACC version. So go ahead and create that. If you're actually in your music portion, you see how it made that sound? It actually created another version of Cowboy Casanova, and you can see it's 31 seconds, which is the snippet that we want. So there's two ones, the original version and there's a version that we made. You're going to drag the version that you made, the shorter version, onto your desktop. So there it goes on your desktop. So there you see it says .m4a, so we're going to go ahead and change it to M4R, which stands for ringtone. Yes, we're going to go ahead and change it. So now it's actually a ringtone. So all you do is drag it back into your iTunes, and when you go to the ringtone section, Cowboy Casanova is right there. So when you sync up your iPhone again, this ringtone will be now available for you to use on your iPhone. And then once you're done, just a little cleanup that you have to do. You're actually going to want to, I usually do, delete the short version out. Make sure it's the short version. Oops. And then you're also going to have to go back into get info and change your song back to its original size. Otherwise, when you sync it up, your song will be shortened. So I just backspace, tab, it brings up the original time, hit OK, and now it's going to start from the beginning, and it's going to end where it's supposed to end. And then that is it. You are done. So happy creating ringtones!